What's up, winners? All right, Meghan literally must be insane. The fact that she's actually posting stuff like this, and then later I need to show you something hilarious, but just who posts this like underworld dark lord ritual to their Instagram? Like, who does? Well, Meghan. Okay, ridiculous. And again, after that, I need to show you guys the funniest headline ever. It's just from one of Meghan's puff pieces. Okay, so Meghan's spread. Ew. Is Meghan like trying to tell us something about her drinking? I don't know if you saw the recent post. She's like dragging around the wine cup, like, I didn't get on the magazine. But she should. Ew. What is that? That looks like my dog. My dog wouldn't eat this food. Leo would not eat that. He literally ran away. I wanted to look and see what he would say. He would not eat anything that Meghan prepared. He would neither go near her and back to her horror thing. Okay, this is just hilarious. Meghan Markle shares intimate look at her daily life with Prince Harry and their kids at their $14.65 million mansion. Isn't that the opposite of intimate? Maybe to Meghan, like, I'm just such a down-to-earth girl. I'm a princess, and I live in my $14 million mansion. Like, it's just hilarious that, and now they're in Realtor.com. That's their last chance to get puff pieces. But yeah, apparently, Meghan has not gotten any invites from anyone. I'm sure she tried to attach herself to, people like Kamala Harris. We just have Harry trying to sneak away from her. Ugh. She's so like, I can't believe she tries to guilt people. She's like, oh my gosh, I was on Deal or No Deal as a model, and I can't believe people like focused on my looks when my job was to stand there and look a certain way. How can anyone do that? I'm just too perfect. All right, everybody, thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Please subscribe.